Secondly, the second sin is the lack of a trading plan. I have a trading plan. If you are genuine and a serious professional trader, you need a trading plan. Because without a trading plan, you trade impulsively without a clear strategy and a clear roadmap. And remember, whoever fails to plan inadvertently plans to fail. So you don't want to come into this market space and you're trying to become a professional trader without a trading plan. You need a trading plan. Number three, you're trying to revenge trade. Let's say you have a two trade max rule for the day. Once those two trade hit stop loss or hit TP, do not take another trade. Because once you're trying to make the money you have lost, you are playing the wrong game. That's one of the sayings in the market. You do not revenge trade. If you take a loss, that is part of your samples. That's the loss. Accept that loss and move on to the next trade. If you take a TP, that is part of your samples that is supposed to be a TP. Accept that TP and move to the next trade. So number four is going to be ignoring your risk management. If you have a $500 max loss sample or max loss for a day, you shouldn't ignore that. Once you get to that point, that is a red flag. That's a red signal telling you that's okay for the day. But once you ignore it, you stop orders, or you're taking too much risk per one trade, you destroy your trading account, and boom, you become part of the 95% that do not make it in this space. Over trading. I used to be somebody that I found myself one time in 2021. I took about 6-7 trades in a day. Why am I taking 6-7 trades in a day? What's going on? Right now, I take about, let's say, 3 trades in a whole week, sometimes two. Less is more in this space. You need to learn how to cut over trading. And a way for you to cut over trading is by setting the maximum trade rule per day. So if you trade on a smaller time frame, you tell yourself, I'm going to be taking 2 trades per day, and you stick to it no matter what, no matter how juicy the next setup is. 2 trades per day must be 2 trades per day.